Why tagging matters in Evernote.
Tagging is the key to organizing your Evernote notes for easy retrieval. Unlike notebooks, which group notes broadly, tags allow you to classify information in multiple ways. This flexibility makes it simple to find notes belonging to different projects, topics, or contexts, all with just a few clicks or a quick search.
Creating an effective tagging system.
Begin by choosing tags that reflect your workflow and needs. Keep tag names short, specific, and consistent. For instance, use receipts, meeting notes, or 2024 goals. Avoid overlapping terms and aim for clarity. Group related tags by prefixing them, like client Acme or topic research, to help with sorting and navigation later on.
Best practices for applying tags.
Limit the number of tags per note to avoid clutter, but feel free to apply more than one if it enhances findability. When adding new notes, tag them right away. Review your tags periodically to merge or remove duplicates. Consistent tagging habits make your Evernote workspace reliable and orderly over time.
Searching notes with tags.
Use Evernote's search bar to filter by tag. Type tag travel to view all travel-related notes, or combine tags like tag finance, tag 2024 for precise results. You can combine tags with keywords or notebook names for even deeper searches. Mastering these queries saves time and helps you locate exactly what you need.
Advanced search tips for power users.
Try using Evernote's advanced search syntax. Use operators like any or minus to include or exclude tags. For example, any tag invoice, tag receipt finds notes with either tag. Use minus tag archived to hide archived content. Experiment with search shortcuts to fit your workflow, and consider creating saved searches for frequent tasks.